2 years ago, I grew potatoes in a Dollar Tree laundry basket and it was a huge success. So I wanted to give it a try and try with a bigger laundry basket. The one that I used 2 years ago was about half this size. So we're using much taller laundry baskets and I want to experiment to see if I can get a bigger yield with a bigger basket. We're also experimenting with two different ways. We're doing one way, the traditional hilling method, which is what I did 2 years ago, and I'll link to that video as well. The only difference is I used a white garbage bag 2 years ago to line the inside of my laundry basket. So you don't want that dirt falling out of those holes. This year I am using seeding straw. I'm trying to go as organic as possible. So let's try. This is also an experiment. Everything is an experiment with the garden, right? I mean, it really is. That's how we all learn. So don't be afraid to just give it a try, because the worst case scenario is I'm just going to not have these seeding potatoes sprout and produce more, and I'll learn something new for next year. So here we are. I'm putting 4 potatoes in. This is the one that we're going to do with our hilling method. And basically we're going to do just one layer of potatoes, enough dirt to cover them, and as they start to grow green, beautiful leaves and stems, we will add more dirt. And as you are adding more dirt, more potatoes will have an opportunity to grow, is the theory. And that definitely worked out really well 2 years ago. Now, in my research though, I also found that people do sort of a lasagna method, and we're going to try that. I'm really curious to see which one will do better, because many people use this lasagna method, although it seems that the hilling method is the preferred method. But really, with potatoes, there are so many different options of how to grow them. Really is. So that's where I say, get experimental, be brave, go out there, just try it. If you fail, as long as you haven't invested too much money, and my laundry basket was under $8 from Walmart, which I will link below. I think the blue one I may have gotten at Five Below last year even. So as long as you're not investing a ton of money, the worst that can happen is your vegetables don't grow, and you learn something new and you change it up and try again next year. So let's get now our first lasagna layer. So again, seeding straw. Use that seeding straw to build up the walls of the side of the laundry basket. Put in some dirt. Get your potatoes in, just enough dirt to cover them. Let's continue to build up the side of this laundry basket, because now this one we're going to do multiple layers. So we need to keep building up the sides. Get a lasagna layer of the seeding straw, another lasagna layer of the dirt. So this is layer number 2. And then we'll go ahead and we'll put our potatoes down. And then again, just enough soil just to cover up the potatoes. And you want those sprouts to obviously to be pointing up. Okay, let's get it covered up with dirt. Just enough. And then we're going to do another lasagna layer of our seeding straw as we continue to build up the sides of the wall. And I have to say, I didn't know what to expect with the seeding straw. I really didn't think that it would work that well. It worked excellent. It really did. It was very easy. It stayed in place as I was kind of just pushing it against the walls. It really worked well. So far, excellent. All right, so we're going to continue to grow those sides. Now let's get another layer of the dirt, and then we're going to put down another layer of potatoes. There we go. And this time I just put 2. I was starting to run low on seed potatoes. And remember, if you can't buy seed potatoes, that's happened to me before where I've just missed them or they've sold out. Just get organic potatoes and let them sprout. They will grow potatoes, but they have to be organic. Okay, we got our dirt layer, another seeding straw layer. Continuing to build up the sides of this laundry basket. I'm really excited to see which one will produce more. Okay, let's get another layer of dirt. And I think this is now going to be our 4th layer. All right, let's get our potatoes down. Cover it up with enough dirt just to cover them. And then we are going to put some more seeding straw. And there we have it. So 2 different methods. We're going to compare and see which one grows the quickest and produces the most. Not really grows the quickest, produces the biggest yield. That's what we want to see. Keep checking back. I'll have another video.